ALLDATA offers Paintless Dent repair professionals the tools and information they need, including position statements and other manufacturer releases for required PDR operations. Some manufacturers, such as BMW, have documents that are specific to the PDR industry, and nearly all manufacturers have requirements for scanning, a step that is now required for PDR operations. ALLDATA offers information on vehicle construction, including helping to identify the types of materials used for exterior panels. And when it comes time to disconnect the battery and disable restraint systems, ALLDATA offers the information needed to protect your technicians. We also have the information on required resets when the battery is reconnected. And if trim and hardware require removal, the procedure will identify one-time use fasteners. Calibration or aiming with ADAS parts is often required. These procedures can be accessed with ALLDATA. Want to learn more about ALLDATA Collision? Contact us today.